Stop asking your friends and family to join your affiliate marketing business and products. Aren't you sick of it anyway? Are they dodging your calls? If that's you, I want to share with you 3 free traffic resources where you can start getting website traffic. You know, eyeballs, people coming into your affiliate marketing business, products or services that you're trying to promote and sell. Well, these 3 resources will get you traffic today. All you have to do is get started. Hey, my name's Chris Espinola, the Laptop Freedom Warrior and Internet Traffic Junkie, and I'm about to share with you 3 free resources that my team and I are using to increase our daily website traffic coming to check out our affiliate marketing products and services. And I want to share that with you. Now, I'm going to run through this very quickly because I want to keep this video short, but stick around to the end. You're also going to get one of my favorite inexpensive traffic sources where you can start getting leads, not even website visitors, leads, checking out your affiliate marketing products and services. Now, the first product or platform I want to show you is Leased Ad Space. Now, with Leased Ad Space, you can get started for free. There's a link somewhere below this video. And when you create your free account, you're going to click here to see how it works. It's going to bring you here. You want to tell me about how the advertising works. It's going to bring you to this page. And it's going to run through you or explain to you exactly what you get as a free member, which you can see right here on the screen, right? As a free member. Now, one of the huge things I love about this website is that you get your own profile page and blog site that you can start promoting yourself and your products. You also get the ability to post ads, which is the other part of this platform that I really love, on the ad board. And to do that as a free member, you just have to click 10 ads, I believe, to get credits to be able to promote your product. Now, myself, I am a diamond member here, and the reason for that, the main reason, is because I get to send email promoting my affiliate products and services to the member base every 2 days, and I get to post up to 25 ad board posts per day. Me personally, I only usually post about 1 to 2 daily. Let me take you to my back office. Now you can see I don't share this to try to make money. I really haven't. I share this to my team members who are on a very limited budget but want to start earning income, right? So as you can see, I just posted this ad on the ad board post today, and I already got 6 people who viewed it, right? And you can see my frequency. Now, here's my email. I sent this out this morning as well at 10:03 a.m. I've already had about 3,800 people receive it within the database of this platform. 37 open, 6 clicks, and 2 checked out my blog page inside the platform that promotes my affiliate marketing products and services. That's me getting free traffic every day to my products and services and businesses, right? And this is the same thing you can do, as my team does, to start increasing the traffic flow. And you know what happens when you increase your traffic flow, right? You get more leads. Then you can follow up with those leads and create sales and customers. That's the benefit of having free resources. So if you're tight on a budget and you can't afford to pay for advertising, you can leverage these platforms like this one right now to get website visitors. Now, the other platform I want to share with you is leadsleap. You can create a free account, and within the free account you have these free resources, right? Again, there'll be a link below this video where you can get access to this, and it will allow you to start getting website visitors, again, to your affiliate marketing products and services. I was a free member of this platform for a long time. I think at the end of last year I joined as a paid member. Here's my profile. My username is the Laptop Freedom Warrior. But I want to not have you focus on that. I want you to focus on the free resources you have within this platform. Once you set up your free account, log into your back office, you'll see what you'll have access to as a free member. And as a free member, you get to post ads that you can promote your affiliate marketing products and services. As you can see, I've only had 2 ads running since I started this, and I started as a free member back in 2020. May 31st, 2020 is when I started using this platform as a free member, and these are the original ads. Now you may ask, why do I still have the same 2 original ads back here? Well, it's because they're doing very well and I'm getting leads from them. Now I think I can post up to 5 free ads here. I only have 2. And how you get website visitors to it is you have to watch other members' ads within the platform, and by doing so, right, as a free member, you get you get some earnings for watching other people's ads. As you can see, over the last 24 hours, I made 2 cents for going through ads, and the reason why I go through 10 ads a minimum a day, so you can earn some ching, right, some cashola. The reason I do that is because by surfing 10 ads a day, you obtain credits for your free ads to get website visitors to check out your ads. That's how you advertise your business for free. Now, there's more information on these 2 platforms on my playlist that will also there'll be a link located at the bottom of this video. Now, I want to share with you one more free traffic source, and that's classifiedads.com. And if you have affiliate marketing products or service, particularly business opportunity, this is what I use this platform for. You can create a free account, go to business opportunities, and post your free opportunity, your affiliate marketing opportunity, here on this site. Now, again, I don't want to get too much into it. There'll be other training videos on these free resources within the playlist, and you can go ahead and walk it through it yourself within the back office here. Now, the next resource I want to share with you is a very inexpensive traffic source where you can get 100 leads per day. And a built-in autoresponder where you're able to email those leads your affiliate marketing business opportunity products or services. I do it every day, and the best thing to do is be consistent, because you do, from these leads, you do get sales, right, in other affiliate marketing products and resources. Now again, once you sign up for your account, it's $1 per day, $30 per month. It equates to very inexpensive. There is a $30 one-time setup fee to set it up, and then $30 every month, equating to $1 per day. And with that, you get 100 leads per day automatically sent to your back office. That you also have the ability to email every day, once a day, your affiliate marketing products and services, including this. You can promote this and share it with your team to create a group economics. Now, I know primarily this video has been about 3 free traffic resources, and I just shared to you a very inexpensive paid traffic resource to promote affiliate marketing products or services. Now, if you don't have a product or service that you're currently selling or want to sell, or that's generating you instant cash payments, I would suggest you taking a look at Easy One Up Life or E1U Life. I've been a member here for a very long time, and one of the great, awesome things about this is that it's an instant cash paying, high ticket affiliate marketing business that allows you to get started with the very basic package for $30 one-time payment, and it will allow you to earn $25 instant cash payments directly to your pocket. Now, that being said, I'm only sharing that with you in case you don't have any products, so you're just landing on this video and you want to start earning some money online. This is a great product to do so because you get paid instant cash payments, and you'll have the ability to upgrade to the additional products and services within the back office here, right, of this particular program, which there'll be a link below. One of my favorite things about this instant cash business in a box is the free training that you will get on the inside once you sign up and get started as a paid member. Send me an email and I will give you access to this free crash course on how you can start getting additional free traffic to promote your business, and you'll have a bunch of bonuses, including my bonuses included. That being said, my friends, this comes to an end of the video. I'm sorry it's a little longer than I intended, but I wanted to get these products and services in front of you so you can start generating some cash. Now, if you like the information I share with you, please click the bell icon. Click the subscribe button here on the video so you can be notified of additional resources that I'm going to be sharing with you and my team. That being said, my friends, I will see you on the next video.